As we transition to the next speaker, I want us to think about something we don't think about enough. This is going to be a theme throughout the conference. You'll hear a lot of speakers talk about this, and that's outcomes. What Josh just talked about are the impacts. The impacts if we get this right, also the impacts if we don't. And we usually, in government, jump straight to talking about the outputs and the things that lead up to them, resources and activities. That's what we're really good at. And there's this missing focus area, and it's missing everywhere you go. Even you'll find it in these innovation organizations, you'll find it missing in key areas, right? Because we still get wrapped up in our silos of procurement and security, and we lose focus on what's the outcome. This next speaker is going to help us bridge the gap between that why, that impact that Josh talked about, and these activities that we have to do with outcomes. What are the DevOps outcomes that we need to achieve in order to lead to those impacts? And another thing that I'll mention that I just want to highlight quick based on what Josh said is, there's an aspect of this. He said, no matter what your boss says, no matter what you're feeling, because it's scary sometimes, you really have to envision kind of where you want to go, and then you have to go there without asking for permission, right? I've talked to a lot of bureaucracy hackers, like all across government. They all have three things in common. They never ask for permission. They don't wait to be invited. Most important thing, you look at the early days of Kessel Run, which I know, and some of the other organizations that I've been a part of, and the VA and the Space Force and SOCOM, they never wait to be invited. They just do it. If you're waiting to be invited, I'll tell you, you're going to be waiting a long time. So don't wait to be invited. Don't ask for permission. And good God, do not do it alone. None of these people ever did it alone.